Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to take you through the nest and if function. If you look at my video list, I've already prepared other videos on the if, the sum if and the count if. And kindly, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscription button below. Okay, on this one, for the nest and function, unlike the if function, it is possible to output more than one comment. For the if comment, you can only deal with the two scenarios where you can have either a pass or a fail. But for the nested if, you can add more output if you want to give more than two cases. Okay, let's dive to the actual, the actual formula. For the formula is if logic or test, then the value true, value if false. Okay, as usual, we start with the equal sign, then if brackets, then we need to give the column that we want to compute. The column is column J7. For J7, hen mark that is above, greater than or above than 300. Let the output be good. Comma. If we introduce now another scenario, if J7 is greater than 250, let the comment, comma, be pass. Else, if the mark is less than 250, let the comment be poor. Then you close your remarks. Then you close the brackets for the second if. Then you close another bracket for the first if. Then you press the enter button. Now, if we look at our condition, we have if the mark is greater than 300, let the comment be good. If it's greater than 250, let it be pass. Otherwise, or else, let it give poor. Okay, let's see what we get. We get good. Okay, now to get the comment on the other remaining part, you only need to drag on this part, or rather we can write maybe another formula, which is a equal sign, then if brackets J8 is greater than 250, what should I get? Comma, what should I get? I should get, no, suppose be 300, comma, what should I get? I should get good, close the brackets. Otherwise, if we introduce our condition 2, otherwise, if this person scores a mark that is greater than 250, the person should get pass, otherwise or else should get fail. Then you close the brackets and another bracket, then you press that button. So as you can see, this person managed to get a mark that is above 250 and less than 300. So the person will get a pass. Okay, now to get the formula, to get now the comment on the other remaining part, you just need to drag on this part all the way to get all the comment for each and every student based on what you had written. Okay, the most important part when you are working with the nest and if, there's some key things that you need to note. For example, let's go to this one, the formula. Okay, let me clear this one so that it will be easy for us to, so I will clear content. Okay, let's go to the first one. So as you can see the formula, there is a brackets and another, this one is closed by this one is closed by this one. So the most important part is any open bracket should be closed at the end of the entire if function. For example, if you omit this one, you'll find that we'll not have closed this one. So let's get, so you can see that it is showing that there is a problem. There is a Microsoft Excel found an error in the formula you entered. Do you want to accept the correction proposed? Okay, let's see. So as you can see, the proposed correction, they have already closed the brackets that you had already left and open. Okay, so we should close that part. Okay, another point is that if 3 comments are given, 2 if function are written. Therefore, if 8 comments are to be displayed, 7. So there is that possibility if you are to give 3 comments, 2 if, 4 comments, 3, 5 comments, 4 ifs. I hope that we are together up to that. That's why if you look at this one, we are supposed to give 3 comments, good percent. That's why we have used the if. Okay, maybe we can have another one in the next video where I will elaborate you on how to use more, for example, 5 ifs. Okay, then another point to note that between an if function and a command, there should always be a comma. That is why if you look at the function J7 greater than 300, there is a comma and the comment. Then another thing to note is that instead of a space, a comma is always used. So those are the key things to note when working with the if or the nested if. Then for other videos that are related to the if, you can check the other video that I've already prepared on the count if and the sum if. So I've okay, let me see. Okay, now to make now the other thing, as you have noted, we just drag at the bottom right, then the other comment will automatically be pasted on that part. So that is how simple it is to use the nested if.